Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to join Soul's RNG Discord server. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your Discord, and now from here just simply click on this icon over here, add server with the plus icon. And now from here guys, just simply go ahead and go for join a server. And from here, just simply go ahead and go for Souls RNG over here and click on join server. And from here, you should be able to join the server as you can see over here, and just simply provide the necessary information needed to proceed. And after that, you should be able to join it. And another option that you have is just simply click on this add a server over here and go for join a server and go for don't have an invite. And from here guys, you can just simply search at the top right over here Souls RNG, and you can just simply go ahead and click on this server over here, and you should be able to join as well. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.